How to use Android USB-C hidden features 2026. To use the Android's USB-C hidden features, you simply have to connect your phone's charging port or the USB-C Type-C from your phone to your PC. Now, once you do so, you should be able to access modes like developer modes, which you can find under your settings. All you have to do is head to your setting bar, then tap on this search icon. From there, you should be able to type in developer options. Now, this can only be accessed once you have connected your device to the PC itself, and this will also enable you to use a lot of features within this developer options. And you can also use your phone itself as a streaming device to stream from your phone to a bigger screen like TV or even monitors. And that is how you can use this feature, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.